Hello and welcome back for my videos. In this video I will show you how you can install Gulp on your Windows machine and use the Gulp file. It's very easy. Go for your folder and then use npm install Gulp CLI G like a global. Then starting to install Gulp. It could take a little while, depends on your internet connection and your machine. And then we want to say npm install Gulp.d. And then you can see it's installed the package. So the next one we want is to add the new file. It's called Gulp.js, and then we should good to go. Gulp watch, and you can see the watch is not in our Gulp file. Sorry. Then we need to Gulp is equal to require, and then it should work. No. It could be because I'm not in the Gulp file. No, let's do this one. Yeah, it's because we need something. So I will install Laravel Elixir. And then it should be good to go after this. That's weird. Yeah, let's try again. Yeah, because we don't have any tasks, so let's which one? call it app.js. Then we want to compile it in app.main.js, and then we need, of course, an app folder. This should be your folder, and then we need a little bit more. We need the folder structure. It's called resources. Then we have new file app.js blog, and then we're good to go. See, it's compiled hello world. If I'm going in here and say alert test now, and then compile, should be good to go. Yeah, perfect. Thank you for watching. This video is for Laravel Elixir and how to install Gulp, so you can begin to minify your CSS files and your JavaScript files. And this video is just JavaScript. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe my channel, make comments below if you have any questions, and like and share if you like it. See you.